Two-seeded Miami Heat are already up 1-0 in their first-round playoff series against the Philadelphia 76ers. 76ers coach Doug Collins said before the game that he needed to hold the trifecta of Dwayne Wade, Chris Bosh, and LeBron James below 75 points for the Philadelphia 76ers to do well in this game. Dwayne Wade off to the races early. Remember, he was suffering from migraines yesterday, but he was looking good in this game. Then there's Chris Bosh off the dish from LeBron James. That's no-look style right there. Bosh, 21 points and 11 boards on the night. Later, more from the big guy down low. Miami up 10 in the second quarter, 30-20. Philadelphia 76ers going with their young guy, Evan Turner, outside, dialing up a three-pointer. He knocks that one down. He had 15 points on the night, but back come the Heat. Look at LeBron James climb the ladder. LBJ bringing that one home, and James goes for 29 points. That's a game high, and yeah, he's feeling good. Miami just having the 76ers on skates in this game. Dwayne Wade, this is no move for a rookie. Evan Turner caught going the wrong way, and Dwayne Wade just brings that thing back and knocks down a soft jump shot. Third quarter now, LeBron James, yeah, this one's from Orlando. He drills the three-pointer there. The Heat just owning this game. They're up by 18 points. LeBron James drawing the foul there, 83-63 later in the fourth. LeBron softly on that one. He shot 10 of 19 from the field, distributing to Chris Bosh as well. You see the score, Miami up 89-63. 4 minutes to go in the game. You know the result. It's the Heat by 21 over the 76ers. They take a 2-0 lead in the series.